couple of years back still. Remember one time me and my cousin got this table thing same way. We auntie a Christian, which is his mother. So we go home now and forgot we reach the gate, but we forgot to spin the road before going in our house. So we go in our house and now. So we tell we drop asleep. Or auntie dreams to one frog follow we come in our house, you see me? And the frog stand up and the frog just the right eye bed there so. And then the frog just turn up and stand up and I look on the two of we in our bed lie down. And she get up, she just start plead the blood of Jesus in her sleep. Until she get up. And she just a plead. And the man just plan saying stand up and he nah move. You see me? But two we never know about them things about them in them days. We did sit up and wonder what go on. And she did a plead. I mean I tell you, we all hear something just run to, we just hear the bush start shake and bag of things start going with it. I tell you man, that night there, have me and we traumatized, couldn't believe. I know no joking, a real thing I tell you now.
Hostia, friend. Hostia, friend. And I just look at you and go on to your bed.
When you smile, experience that laugh.
See, I have this next time again when it was on a Sunday and you have this big house on the hill, but couple grave the up there, so bulldozer dig off the whole like grave and dash it off in a gully or something. See, I have this Sunday we used to shoot bird and them things, so we have a cousin and he shoot one bird. And when he shoot the bird, the other day he just get sick. Well sick, like he just get maga down. Course set and wash him, he can't eat anything eating, vomited up back and thing. So my grandmother say she can't go and read a woman. But she can't go to read a woman now. The read woman say the DUPPY, which is a bird, when him lick. The read woman say DUPPY say you feel lucky say this upon her frack tail the stone catch her because she a church she a go. That the DUPPY say, you know. She says him lucky say upon her frack tail the stone catch her because any of the catch her nowhere else, she would have killed him. May I tell you? Something I go through in my childhood, man, may I tell you.
Join Jamaican True Stories Duppy Story live Saturdays at 8 p.m.